we go. Hey.
Yeah, so this is my game plan. I'm going over in this. You're doing a great job. I'm ready to get home to
We want the
Timmy.
car down. This place is ours.
Quiet, it's ours.
Wait,
Quit your yammering.
What are you guys doing here?
We're robbing the place.
Oh my God!
Get under their desk.
Please.
You get over yonder.
Please, I have a child. Please, don't hurt me.
Oh, look at this. David, we're surrounded. What are we gonna do?
Quit your yammer. They'll never catch us alive. We gotta head over yonder.
Where over yonder?
Yonder over yonder.
David and Johnny, come on out with your hands up, or we will have you dead or alive.
You'll never catch us alive, cowpoke. Get out of here.
I'm coming in.
Where'd she go? Oh, shucks. Oh, David, going without me. Can't feel my legs. Go give this to little Johnny. Go tell him.
Nah, you keep it, man.
Go
You keep
tell
it,
him.
man.
Be
Quit
strong.
yammering, Johnny.
Tell him to be
Gonna see this
strong.
I swear, keep it, man.
Just give it to him if I don't make it. Give it to him. No, someone will make it for me. Show him the world for me. David,
Bye,
I know
Johnny.
you will. I know you will, David. Ah, David! Behind you!
So you boys decided to stay here and fight, huh? Well, let me show you my skills.
Oh! David! Oh. David, get up. David, it's not the end.
dogs.
David,
But we ain't done.
David.
The box.
Yes, the box. I can't reach it.
The box.
What's inside?
It's a piece of paper.
What's it say?
Nothing.
No, what's it say?
Nothing.
No jokes, David.
It quite literally says nothing.
Fake. I knew that tale was too good to be true. There's probably more police coming on the way. We should just give up. Take us in.
Put your hands up.
Not like I can move.
Sorry, man. I was wrong.
Once upon a time, when fools die fine.